The night sky has always captivated humanity. We gaze at the stars and wonder about the vastness of the universe. Are we alone, or could there be other intelligent life out there, perhaps even civilizations far older than our own? One such path takes us to the ancient civilization of Sumer and their intriguing tales of Niburu and the Anunnaki. The Sumerians flourished in Mesopotamia, the land between the rivers, thousands of years ago. They left behind a rich culture advanced for their time, with innovations in writing, mathematics, and astronomy. But what has captured the imaginations of many are their creation myths, stories passed down through generations that speak of powerful beings called the Anunnaki. These beings were said to have come from a distant planet called Niburu. According to Sumerian mythology, the Anunnaki came to Earth in search of gold. Their purpose? To serve as a workforce, mining the gold they so desperately needed. The Sumerians recorded their history and mythology on clay tablets using a script called cuneiform. These tablets, unearthed by archaeologists centuries later, offer a glimpse into a world long gone. Among these stories we find descriptions of the Anunnaki, their arrival on Earth, and their interactions with early humans. The tablets describe Nibiru as a rogue planet. Nibiru, according to these ancient texts, has a highly elliptical orbit, taking it far out into the depths of our solar system before swinging back in towards the sun. The Sumerians believed that this celestial cycle had a profound impact on Earth. They attributed cataclysmic events like the Great Flood to Nibiru's close passage. These stories, etched in clay thousands of years ago, continue to intrigue and inspire today. In the 1970s, a scholar named Zecharia Sitchin ignited a firestorm of controversy with his book, The 12th Planet. Sitchin, a self-proclaimed expert in ancient Sumerian, proposed a radical interpretation of their writings. He argued that the Anunnaki were not mythical beings but rather extraterrestrial visitors from Nibiru. According to Sitchin, the Sumerian text should be read literally. He claimed that the Anunnaki genetically engineered humans by combining their own DNA with that of Homo erectus. The purpose? To create a subservient race capable of toiling in the gold mines. This, Sitchin argued, explained the sudden leap in human evolution. Sitchin's theories were met with a mixture of fascination and skepticism. His books became bestsellers, capturing the imaginations of those seeking alternative explanations for human origins. Despite the criticism, Sitchin's ideas continued to spread, finding fertile ground in popular culture. His theories about the Anunnaki and Nibiru became intertwined with other fringe theories, such as ancient astronauts, alien cover-ups, and government conspiracies. The internet, with its ability to disseminate information rapidly and widely, played a significant role in popularizing these ideas. Websites, forums, and social media groups dedicated to Nibiru and the Anunnaki sprang up, attracting a global audience. The idea that we might be descended from ancient astronauts, that our very existence is the result of extraterrestrial intervention, is both thrilling and unsettling. But is there any scientific evidence to support these claims, or are they simply elaborate myths dressed up as scientific theories? From a scientific perspective, the existence of Nibiru and the Anunnaki faces significant challenges. Astronomers who spend their lives studying the cosmos have found no evidence of a rogue planet with an orbit that would bring it into the inner solar system every 3,600 years, as Sitchin claimed. If such a planet existed, its gravitational pull would have a noticeable effect on the orbits of other planets in our solar system. Furthermore, the idea that humans were genetically engineered by the Anunnaki contradicts the overwhelming evidence supporting the theory of evolution by natural selection. Decades of research in genetics, paleontology, and anthropology have provided a detailed understanding of human evolution, tracing our lineage back millions of years. NASA, the world's leading space agency, has repeatedly debunked the claims about Nibiru. In 2012, when fears of a Nibiru collision reached fever pitch, NASA scientists went to great lengths to reassure the public. Despite the lack of scientific evidence, the stories of Nibiru and the Anunnaki continue to circulate. They have become deeply ingrained in popular culture, inspiring countless books, films, and video games. The internet, with its ability to connect like-minded individuals and spread information and misinformation rapidly, has played a significant role in keeping these stories alive. But why do these ancient tales continue to captivate us? Perhaps it's the allure of the unknown, the possibility that there are forces at work in the universe beyond our current understanding. Or maybe it's the comfort of believing that we are not alone, that somewhere out there, other intelligent beings are watching over us. Whatever the reason, the stories of Niburu and the Anunaki serve as a reminder of the power of myth. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, consider the stories we tell about the universe and our place within it.
Welcome to Anunaki, Chico TV channel.